Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the third lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard Third, WordPad. Dear students, first of all we will learn how to start the WordPad. First of all, switch on the computer. When you see the desktop on the screen, left click on the Start button on the taskbar. You will see the Start menu. On the Start menu, point to All Programs. You will see a submenu. Click on Accessories folder. It will expand to show you a list of programs. Now click on WordPad. You will see the WordPad window on the screen. Now my dear students, we will learn about WordPad window. Title bar. Dear students, the first bar you can see, that is title bar. The title bar shows document WordPad, the name of the program. On the left hand side corner, you can see the icon of WordPad program. The quick access toolbar has tools like save, undo and redo, which are used many times in WordPad. On the right hand corner, you can see three buttons: minimize, restore down and close. Dear students, if you place the mouse pointer over an icon for a few seconds, you will see a screen tip which shows the name and function of that button. Now click on minimize. The WordPad window will disappear from the desktop. Now you can only see its icon button on the taskbar. To see the WordPad window again, just click on icon button on the taskbar. Click on restore down. The WordPad window will become smaller. In the smaller window, this button changes to maximize. Click on this maximize button to see the window in its original size again. Now click on close to close the WordPad window. Menu bar. The second bar you can see, that is menu bar. The menu bar has the WordPad button, the home tab, the view tab and the WordPad help icon button. Click on the arrow next to the WordPad button to see a drop down menu. It has tools to open, save or print a WordPad document. Click on the home tab. The ribbon below will show all the tools that will help you to work in WordPad. Click on the view tab. The ribbon below will show all the tools that will help you to change the view of the WordPad window. To get any help to use WordPad, click on the WordPad help button on the right hand side of the menu bar. Text area. Dear students, the white blank area you can see, that is text area. This is that area of the WordPad window where you can type your text. The small blinking vertical line that you see in the text area is called cursor. When you move the mouse pointer in the text area, the arrow changes to look like an eye. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about how to start the WordPad and about WordPad window. So watch the video carefully.